The following video should be used in conjunction with the instructions for use, packaged with every Posey product and your facility's policies and procedures. The Posey restraint belts are used to help prevent patients from unassisted bed and wheelchair exits and positioning. They're indicated for patients assessed to be at risk of injury from a fall or those requiring a positioning device to assist medical treatment. It's important to note that this Posey product is a prescription device, RX only. To begin, bring the belt around the patient's waist with the foam pad to the front of the patient and the label facing out. Cross the straps behind the patient and feed each strap through the positioning loops on the ends of the blue foam pad. Now, position the patient in the bed. Next, secure the straps out of the patient's reach using a quick-release tie. Wrap the strap around the outer side of a movable part of the bed frame at waist level. Bring the strap across and then behind the vertical strap to form a loop. Take the end of the strap, form a second loop, and bring it through the first loop. Pull down to tighten and tuck any excess strap out of reach. To release, pull on the tail of the strap. After securing both sides to the bed frame, slide an open hand flat between the device and the patient to ensure proper fit. The belt must be snug but not interfere with breathing. Check that the straps are secure and will not change position, loosen, or tighten if the patient pulls on them or if the bed is adjusted. Posey recommends that full HBSW compliant side rails in the up position be used when a patient is restrained and unattended. Use side rail covers and gap protectors to help prevent the patient's body from going under, around, through, or between the side rails. The preceding video demonstrates the proper application of Posey products only. Prior to application, consult your facility's policies and procedures regarding the appropriate use of this product. The video should be used concurrently with the Posey application instructions, which include indications, contraindications, warnings, and more detailed product application information. Product application and instructions for use are included with each Posey product. You may contact the Posey Company to request the product application instructions or download a copy at www.posey.com. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-44-POSEY.